Hi everyone, today I want to talk about this design. Hey, I'm Isabelle Randall. I'm a fashion designer, maker and coach, and I specialise in bespoke bridal wear, evening wear and tailoring. Luxury garments is my thing. And this is a design that I did a few years ago now for a wedding exhibition, and I had run out of time, so I never finished it. There are still pins down the side seams, pins attaching the skirt to the bodice at the back. I did a quick lace-up fastening, the silk tulle strap off one shoulder. I still love the flower work that I did on a diagonal here, and I wanted to work the bodice a lot more. But as I said, I run out of time and just pinned half of it together, put it on a mannequin and exhibited it at this wedding fair with my other bridal creations. And since it's returned to the studio and just hung up collecting dust, I never found that time to finish it off, to finish the whole design and look that I wanted off. So I now have decided it's off the hanger, back on the mannequin, but this time I want to reconstruct it. I want to completely change the design of it. I want to rework it into a design I feel excited about and proud to showcase. So I thought it would be fun to share that process with you, the deconstruction and then a reconstruction of a brand new design. So bit by bit, I'm going to share on here, on my channel, the step-by-step process as I rework it. I will show you in real time how I deconstruct, what I change in the process, my design ideas, the thought behind it, the process of development there, and then the reconstruction, and finally some beautiful finishes. You know, at the end of the day, a garment, the look of a garment on the inside is as important as the outside. So finishes are vital. You know, consideration to beautiful finishes are so important. So if this excites you, then keep following me, and I will bit by bit jump on some lives and show you the way I work it, and hopefully inspire you to work with possibly designs you've half made up and you've abandoned, or that you've got this pile of half-made garments like we all do. We always say, I'll come back to it tomorrow, but we never do. Tomorrow never arrives. So, and there are so many beautiful fabrics that we use and that can be reused. I mean, you know, looking at this design, this beaded tulle with the 3D flowers, there's a lot of fabric here. Actually, it's really heavy as well. I'm really excited to rework it. But this is beautiful fabric that is not being used. It's just hanging and collecting dust, and I want to make it into something fabulous. So if the idea of this deconstruct, reconstruct design excites you, then click like and leave a comment, and I will see you soon with the start of making a brand new dress.